How to make tax-deductible clothing donations. Have you ever wondered how to turn your gently used clothing into a tax benefit? Making tax-deductible clothing donations is a great way to help others while also benefiting yourself. Let's break down the steps to ensure your donations are eligible for tax deductions. First, you need to donate to a qualified charitable organization. Look for organizations that have tax-exempt status under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code. Well-known examples include Goodwill and the Salvation Army. These organizations are recognized by the Internal Revenue Service as eligible to receive tax-deductible contributions. Next, check the condition of the clothing you plan to donate. The Internal Revenue Service requires that the items be in good used condition or better. This means the clothing should be suitable for everyday wear. Items that are torn, stained, or otherwise unusable do not qualify for a deduction. Now, let's talk about determining the fair market value of your donated clothing. This is the price a willing buyer would pay for your items in their current condition. You can estimate this value by looking at thrift store prices or using charity valuation guides. Online tools like TurboTax's It's Deductible can also help you make a reasonable estimate. Keeping detailed records of your donation is essential. Create a list that describes each item you donate, including the quantity and estimated value. Make sure to get a written receipt from the charity acknowledging your donation. If your donation is valued over $250, the Internal Revenue Service requires a written acknowledgement from the organization stating the items donated and the date. If your total non-cash donations exceed $500, you will need to complete Internal Revenue Service Form 80 to 83, which is for non-cash charitable contributions. This form must be attached to your tax return. For any single item valued over $500, a qualified appraisal may be necessary. When it comes time to file your taxes, remember that you must itemize your deductions to claim your charitable contributions. This means you cannot take the standard deduction if you want to deduct your clothing donations. Making tax-deductible clothing donations is not just a way to declutter your home. It also supports organizations that help those in need, including returning citizens who may require clothing for job interviews and daily life. By following these steps, you can maximize your tax benefits while contributing to a good cause. So gather your gently used clothing, choose a qualified charity, and start making a difference today.